Good morning, traders, and welcome to Trade Out Loud's Forex Morning Briefing for today. Today is Wednesday, February 19th, 2014, and it is very close to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Here are the major economic releases for today. We are expecting FOMC meeting minutes, so if there are any surprises, this is where we're going to get them around 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We have New Zealand PPI input at 4:45 p.m. and a very important number release, HSBC Flash Manufacturing PMI, and we know that Chinese currency really influences the market, so all eyes on these numbers that are going to be released right here at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Time. Previous number that was released was 49.5, and we're expecting a 49.9, so any deviation to the negative side might impact in a negative way even the Australian dollar. Let's go ahead and move on to our analysis for the day. Also, escalation of anti-government protests in Ukraine and Thailand weaken emerging market currencies. So let's take a quick look at the major currencies for today. Right in front of us, we have a 4-hour chart of the euro dollar, and we had a really nice pop to the upside in yesterday's trading sessions. And as you can see right here, overnight activity, I'm going to shift to the 1-hour chart. Overnight activity, and this is the 1-hour chart. Overnight activity was, and going into the open right here, was pretty much narrow, and then it slid actually down to a low right here, right under 1.3740. Right now we're on the median line as well. Let's see if we create some support at this level, and if this currency pair is trying to challenge the high and continue higher. So far I am trailed out on my last lot in the euro dollar, right here under 3740. So it's about 20 pips, 20 pips higher than my entry price. So we did capture some at the last targets into this high, and so far we're waiting for new consolidation at this level to see where the price will be stabilizing and where we will go from here. So for the euro dollar, still it is changing it is changing the trend right here, but due to these weakened emerging market currencies, it took the euro down. Now, will this be a catalyst and take the euro? This is a daily chart. Take the euro back down to 3700, or will it hold this mid-level right here, very close to 1.3750? So still, we're very neutral on this currency pair until further developments. Let's take a look right now at the pound US dollar. This is the daily chart. Continuation to the downside, still has not stabilized. Right now, we are in an area of minor support at 665. So if we should find any support in this area, this can be a flex point, and that can actually take this currency higher. Let's take a look at the hourly chart to see how we stand. Let me just refresh the chart really quick. So you can see the channel that has formed here. This is a pretty bullish channel right now. We have support from February 14th right here, and we also have support from yesterday's trading session. Also, we pierced right here very slightly to made a new peekaboo low, tested the low slightly. So right now the test is going to be if we're going to trade above 6680. If we're going to trade above this, for short-term traders only, you can look for a buy situation and look for a target into 1.6720 and 1.6740. So this is only for medium term. For longer term trades, I would wait for 1.6740 for a trigger in this area, and probably if the price is going to stabilize right here at the support level of 1.6635, this should be the stop for the next swing trade. Let's take a look at the euro yen as well. So this is the 4-hour chart of the euro yen, and as you can see right here, it had a really nice rally into the 141 level. So it reached one of our third targets right here into this area, and then it's coming back. So in this one, pretty much stop at break-even area, very close to 140.00. So right right now, this area will be tested. It is very interesting to see that if this area of minor support will hold here. Now we'll have to look at the bigger bracket right here. So if 141. So we have to watch again. We have to apply a lot of patience and a lot of discipline to watch and see the clear direction. So far we have no confirmation that this area will hold or if this area is going to be breached and continue to the downside right back into the support at 139. Let's move now to the Aussie dollar and take a quick look and see how the Aussie dollar is shaping up for today, holding on the base really well right here into this area right about, and we talked about this consolidation yesterday, consolidating above 0.9000, so above the 90-cent area, and like I said, we're waiting for a signal on it into the 0.9070 area. This would be an entry for a potential swing long that can take this currency pair higher into 9150 and even higher into an area of 9200 and 9250. Also, on the last currency pair that we're going to watch, we're going to analyze for today, is going to be the U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar. And as you can see, the gear shifted a little bit. This is the daily chart of the dollar, Canadian dollar. Shifted a little bit, tested the low right here with the bottoming tails. Buyers stepped in. So we're going to go to see the momentum on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, very strong momentum for the U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar, standing right here. Right now into a target area at 1.1000. So it would be very interesting to see if we get a consolidation into this area. This has odds of continuing higher into 1.1050 and 1.1000. So this is the area that we're going to look for target areas. Oops, and I totally forgot. We have one more. So I lied. Dollar yen currency pair stabilizing right here into this area. So far sideways action. So for the dollar yen to break higher, we needed to break 102.70 in order to continue higher. Next target on this, if we break that area, it's going to be into the 103, and this is for medium and long term. Thank you so much. This was all for today. Thank you for joining another session, another morning briefing session. My name is Anka Metcalf, and don't forget to like us on Facebook. It's facebook.com/tradeoutloud, and on Twitter, follow us on Twitter. It is twitter.com/Anka Metcalf. Also, make sure to join me today, maximizing your winning trades in 5 easy steps. It is a seminar scheduled for today at 4:30. So visit the Market 5 page. Here it is, February 19th, Wednesday. It is at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Remember to go to market5.com, click under free seminar, free webinars right here, and click to reserve your seat. Seats are going really fast, so make sure you book your seat. So maximizing your winning trades in 5 easy steps today, 4:30 p.m. Book your calendar. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.